Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get walking animation for your Roblox avatar. Okay, first you're going to go to your Roblox application and you're going to open up your avatar menu and you're going to go to the customize and then select the animations right here. And then here you'll see some animations that you can apply to your avatar. And if you want to get the walk avatar, just go to the walk menu and you'll see some walking animations that you can apply to your avatar. Okay, and I'm gonna choose this one, the realistic walk. You can also search for the walking animation on the search menu. And yeah, just explore the walking animations right here, guys. You can also purchase them. Just go to the marketplace and go to the animations. And if you want to specifically search for the walking animation, just go to the search menu right here and type in the walk animation. Okay, most of them actually are not free. For example, this aura walk, you need to purchase it with 39 Robux. Okay, this is how the aura walk looks like and chibi walks. And yeah. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the walking animation for your Roblox avatar. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!